My name is Elizabeth Ramirez. Welcome to Model 3. Today I'm going to talk about the class TriEffect and the methods that we are using for this TriEffect. So a little bit of background on the project is that we should get a picture and divide this picture in three-thirds. The first third on top should show negative, so we need to convert this picture in negative. The middle section will be grayscale, and I decided third section will be a pattern. So let's start with the TriEffect class. So this class I started calling the picture. So on this part here, you'll see that I'm calling a file. So I'm gonna bring a picture, open the picture as original and show it on Explorer. So that way you can see the values of the picture. Then I am using the copy of the picture. So for the copy of the picture, I want this picture to be modified, but I want to keep my original one so you can see the difference. I needed to calculate the thirds of the picture. So the thirds of the picture, I have the first, second, and third. My first third is equal the picture array length divided by 3. So, and then cast it to integer since this result will be decimal. Then my second third is the first third times 2. And my three-third is going to be the picture array length minus 1. The calling methods I'm using is applying to the copy picture negative effect. And I want the negative effect, the parameters start at point 0, which is at the 0 pixel and all the way to the first third, which is, we say, the picture array divided by 3. Then my grayscale is going to start on the second third, but it's actually going to start at the end of the first third and going to end on the second third. Then my pattern section is going to start where ends the second third, and it's going to go all the way until the end of the picture, which is the three-third. Then I'm going to show you guys in Explore mode the picture so you can see the values of the pixels. Now let's go to the methods. The methods were entered in the picture Java. So my first conversion is convert the picture to negative. So I'm using the method negative effect. I'm calling negative effect. The parameters is integer start, integer end. So I'm calling all the pixels and getting all the pixels on my first line here. The second one, the pixel equals null. And my first variable is integer index equals star. So I want the index to be my start point. Then integer red value, green value, and blue value, they all 0. My loop is a while loop. So in the while loop, I'm saying that index greater equal to the start point and index lower and equal to the end point. If this is true, then go ahead and commit these values. So I'm going to start grabbing the pixel array. Then I'm going to get the original value of each color, the red, green, and blue. And to convert it in negative, I needed to do the 255, which is the higher value on the pixels, minus the original value, and that's gonna be the opposite of the original value of the pixel, and it's gonna convert finally to negative. So, and then I have a seed here, so it's gonna be my start point plus 1. That way it's gonna count, it's gonna start reviewing the second pixel. And so on until the end. So the first, the picture to negative, we say is 0, from 0 to the first third. So then on the second third, we're gonna have is grayscale. The grayscale is the same as the negative scale. The only difference here is when I start on the start point and the end point, which are my parameters. But the only difference here is that I needed to average all the colors divided by 3 in order to get the grayscale. So I have double average equal red value plus green value plus blue value. So those are original values divided by 3, and I'm gonna return the value into my new pixels. So my red value is gonna be the average. The my green value is the average as well. Blue value is average, and all these are cast since divided by 3 is not a integer number. So once they pass through the average and cast it, they go to the results, which is the values, and then I have my seed again, the index plus 1, and it's gonna start all over again, the while loop, and this is gonna be on my second third, so it starts on at the end of the first third all the way to the end of the second third. For my last method is the pattern. So on the pattern, all I did is same logic. My start point, my end point. So my start point is the second third through the end. And I'm saying that every 3 pixels apply this color, which is going to be my line parent pattern. So I'm gonna compile this program and then I'm gonna run it. So let's see my effect here. I'm gonna choose the picture like this. And this is my original picture. So as you can see, my original picture, this are my twins, my babies. And my result is the negative on the first third, the grayscale on the second third, and the pattern on the third third. And this is concluding this video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much and have a good afternoon.